I've been here for 1 year in U of T and I taught one course and I had 150 students in my class, which is very large for me, and I had taught less than 40 students so far in the States. But the students in the class were very active and they were active in outside of class as well. So they were asking questions in my office during daytime and even in the evening when I was work late. So I really loved the interaction. And I also like the research carried out in the University of Toronto. I brought one of my students from the States, and he is enjoying the research environment in the University of Toronto very much as well. My main research area is structural engineering with emphasis on earthquake engineering. So in my research, I assess seismic performance of structures using analytical and also experimental method. In my research, I can analyze a structure for using analytical tools as well as experimental tools, and both of them can be combined concurrently through the network analysis. That's what I'm doing right now, and then I want to extend my research for the next few years. Since I took the first course in structural engineering, which is the structural analysis course, I really liked the fact that I can calculate structural response on the given load. So I can model a structure, even just very simple structure like a beam or cantilever beam or portal frame. I was really enjoyed calculating the deformation and imagining the deformed shape. And eventually I learned dynamics, earthquake engineering, and involved into the earthquake engineering. And the fact that people can estimate the behavior of a structure on the extreme loading itself is really fascinating to me. For the next few years, first of all, I'd like to develop my research laboratory such that I can develop algorithms for better simulations, advanced simulations. And then eventually I want to build a infrastructure such that several institutions in Canada can collaborate on seismic performance assessment. By taking advantage of the labs in other institutions, we can test larger buildings or larger bridges, and then we can better understand the seismic performance, through which we can minimize the loss and also improve the seismic performance.